Hello Kickstarter, my name is Josh and in 2018 I launched the ultimate lens hood. 4,500 incredible backers helped to make it a reality, so now I'm back in 2019 with two highly requested new products. The ULHmobile for your smartphone and the ULHgo for your DSLR or mirrorless camera. Both completely block out glare and reflection whether you're shooting photo or video, and as the tooling is complete, I just need your help to get them into production. If you have any questions, comment them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As always, thank you for watching and thank you for your support.